Hello folks, good morning. Welcome to another video. As you can see, I'm here at the beach right now, Puerto del Carmen. So time check, it's 11 a.m. and it's 18th of May. Oh my gosh, almost finished now the May, right? But we have a very beautiful beach right now because it's low tide. As you can see, the sun is just way open to each of everyone to enjoy. Have a look at yourself, guys. Maybe you get jealous of one of these days because the weather is just very unpredictable around here in Lanzarote, especially here in this kind of a Canary Island. It's supposed to be a sunshine for the whole week, but it doesn't. It makes this life very different. I need to put some vest on because all my flu and phlegm is still keep on coming back. It just finished and then gone and then come back again because of the weather keep on changing, you know. And I'm working at night and clean the bars and all the stuff and make you sweat a little bit, and then when you come out it's freezing cold, so I get all the colds every night. So I try my best to keep up and be healthy. I went to the bathroom right there in the very first leg of the beach right there, and to be honest with you, it's really clean and tidy around there. But after this the whole day, you will see the difference between the first the first hour of the day and the last hour of the day. It's just very different. But yeah, just to let you know, we have all the facilities around here. If you need something like bathroom, you can go from number 1 to number 2 if you want to. A shower, and yeah, lifeguards is everywhere, and beans, of course. You know, if you have some garbage with you, you can put it there. And yeah, try to clean this place much tidier as possible because we need to preserve this one for the future people. Sitting one of these bench will make you feel free, you know, stress free out. Just like, wow, even though you need to go to work later on or you have a lot of problem, but just sitting here overlook this beautiful view that I have, it's just make your day much easier and happy for a moment. Actually, I make a video today just for one reason only: a weather update. It seems so weird. We got this 2 to 3 times a week, this kind of weather. This is supposed to be like February, if I'm not mistaken. You know, I've been here so many a long time, so I kindly know the weather, but this is weird, very weird. very quiet, some restaurants around here. Quiet. I think they do breakfast. But this one, yes, I know. That's quiet. Not even a table out there. Look at all this scaffolding ready for the party, eh? It's a shame, you know, the sun will never be found. It comes out once in a while, but almost always dark and cloudy, as you can see. You see that's gray sky? Oh no, that's not great. The smell of the bacon here is just awesome. It makes you feel hungry. Oh, by the way,
no es fácil porque tienes muchos cambios a lo largo.
sí, ¿verdad?
Let's get lost.
Very good. So you feel so so awesome around here because there's a lot of people walking because the other side is closed because of the Ironman thing, and everybody's walking around here. It's very special. This is like I'm coming back like 5 to 6 years ago. This place is just like this. The good thing around in this place right now is there's no music, no sounds banging around, which is kind of good for YouTube videos. No copyright strike, nothing like that. Of course, nothing special in Puerto del Carmen except with all construction going on. Have a look. You see? Construction everywhere here in Puerto del Carmen. My goodness. But it's fine. I think they do it for the best of everyone, you know. But everywhere you go, there's some construction, banging some doors around. No music for the YouTube video, but there's a lot of construction. Oh man, just catch my breath right there. It's been a while since I came here. Look how steep it is. Imagine the cycle. We do this one kind of similar in Tinajo, right in the middle of Lanzarote, and super high. We made it, but it struggled so much that I can, you know, walk. I rather walk than pedal in it. But I made it. That's a long time, maybe about 3 months ago. But the high, like 20% gradient, and it's very hard. But we made it right there. It's very nice. You know, that time I don't film a lot. I was cycling, and maybe one of these days, if we went through there again, I gotta document it like what we do right now. You know, where we go, where's to start, how long it is. So you see the difference between what they call this, centro, middle, and how do you call this one, the plantation around there of grapes and all the stuff. What's the name of that place? It's really nice out there. And here at Atlantis, it took you about 2 minutes from here up to the centro and the main strip. I mean, it took you 2 minutes to go there. So this is, I think, the best spot if you want to find some apartments that are really accessible to everything you need. You know, Soco Shopping Center and Mercadona is just right here for 5 minutes. So the best spot is here in the middle of Puerto del Carmen. I have my vest on this morning because it's cold when I went out, but now the sun is out and a little bit warm around here, so it's great. Oh, I didn't realize there's a diving school right here. A school or a shop, I don't know. Comment down below, folks, if this is a shop or a school. This place at my back is they lead you all the way to the Soco Shopping Center right here. And beach bar that I used to work, you just go straight down all the stairs. About a minute and a half. It really depends how you walk. But now we're going up here to see the place around here. Oh, there's some progress around in this building right here. It's starting to give some, you know, shape around, which is cool. I remember working in Lomo Blanco. I used to pass in this corridor, or what do you call this one? Hallway. That never changed since then. It's a long time. Even all the apartments around here never change. Like I said, folks, I've been here before and I used to work in Lomo Blanco. This is my first ever job around here as a waiter in this place, Lomo Blanco. I think they didn't change a lot, but the restaurant might be changed so much. The panorama is right there as well. And we used to have, like, you know, cooking the breakfast and then cross the road to give the breakfast right there in panorama. It doesn't change. Look, it didn't change a lot. This place is the same as before. Maybe a couple of what do you call this, new space or new things, but it's the same as before. They just did the paint job really good. But Panorama is a bit different. They've been refurbished for a long time, as makes some difference. But Lomo Blanco still the same as before, except with the restaurant. They changed it, and the reception as well. But back then everything's open and lights on. I mean, the bar is very bright. Now it's very dim, not happy, if you know what I mean. Yeah, we're now here at the back. You see how it goes while walking. I'm just using the front mic, so it's not very noisy. I heard my video, a couple of vlogs that we have, is just so noisy you can even hear me. So I just cut off the what do you guys, the back mic, and using the front one, and it's really cool. For the most part, this is Langsamar, and it's a very cool place as well. But like I said, you know, between blocks is, well, this is Paris right here for the, you know, groceries and all the stuff, and the gasoline station is just right there. It's a main road as well, but you can find the bus 2 minutes from the left side. If you go here, you will find it on the left side. But I mean, for the strip, it took you time to go, and there's a lot of way. So I'm heading to one of those way that we've been discovered a long time ago, and we're capturing camera. So let's go. Club Vistas is right here. Even there's a restaurant called Las Vistas Bar Terraza. Wow, cool. You know, when I pick a little look inside the Lomo Blanco, I see the pool bar. I think the pool bar is still working, so that's the best place to go. You know, I had so many memories around there. The first time to read a book while sitting there, I remember reading the Crusher, what's the name? Crusher Lone or something like that. It's just like adventure and action figure. I keep on reading it, and yeah, good memories around. So let's head way to the secret escape road and we'll find our place in the other side. So let's go. Los Marinos is very quiet community around here, which is great. You know, if you want to enjoy a relaxing day, this is the place you can go. Very quiet, not much car, not much people. It's just very quiet. Look at the pool. There's nobody around. It's right there inside, and yeah, so quiet that you can even relax. That's what you go holiday, yeah. And now we're heading in this spot. This is the shortcut that I'm talking about. We just go around, you know. We went around in circles. That's the thing. So yeah, circles around me. I think you can hear me well while talking much closer in the mic. Oh yeah, we'll be fine. So if you go to the left side, you will find this shopping center, and we go to the right, and take a right again, you will find the Soko Shopping Center. So what it would be, let's go here, Bruce Fair, on the other side. Don't try this at home, folks. There's a pedestrian. It's supposed to be a pedestrian lane that people cross, so don't try it at home. Don't try it here. It's just very bad. Some establishments here are closed. Wonder why. So this is the Fariones by Plus Fariones. It's a 3-star hotel right here. And the 5-star is in the front. And the left side is the 4-star. They everywhere here. Really, really big company. There's a new coffee shop here that's really, really famous right now. They opened for a while, newly opened, but they're making some names right now. It's right there, folks. But lots of people think that's very expensive, so I don't know. But it looks nice. There's a lot of people here.
What?
We're always crossing the wrong side of the road. Don't try it, guys. They are designated pedestrian to cross. So this is the Soko Shopping Center. And yeah. So folks, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and enjoying the vlogs and coming with me. So I hope I see you in the next episode. Yeah, so we're now here at the Soko Shopping Center. Thank you for watching, folks. We're gonna end the vlog here right now. So we just make a loop, you know, from the end in the other end. So folks, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and enjoying the vlogs, and I hope to see you in the next episode. So yeah, peace out. Enjoy the rest of the day with the family, and see you in Lanzarote. Woohoo!